Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can automatically translate your page on Google Chrome. So it's pretty simple. For this on Google Chrome, you need to turn the auto translate setting on. For that, click on the three dot at the top right of your screen and click on where it says settings. And from your setting, you want to go on this option called language at the left side. And inside language, make sure where it says use Google Translate, it is on. Once this is on, your auto translate is on. And after you turn on your auto translate, at the bottom translate into this language. So I have chosen English, which means my page will always be translated into English automatically. And if you want to translate it into another language, choose this and choose the language which you want. After you choose the language which you want, whichever page you visit, it's always going to be translated into that language. So I hope you understand how you guys can automatically translate pages on Google Chrome. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. And if you guys have any question about this Google Chrome or this language, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.